Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you just got a new Aura frame or your frame is not connecting, this video is going to show you the exact methods to connect it to your Wi-Fi. So first of all, you need to plug in your Aura frame and then you need to simply turn it on. If it is new, it will automatically enter into the setup mode. If not, you may need to reset the frame first in order to start the setup again. You will see the instructions on the screen to begin. So you need to download the Aura application on your phone. Then simply open the app and sign in or create your account if you haven't already. Just make sure that your phone has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi options turned on. In the Aura application, you just have to tap on the option of add frame. After that, the app is going to search for the frame automatically. Once it is found, simply select it and you may need to confirm a code shown on the frame screen. Now you need to choose your Wi-Fi network in the application. Here you need to enter the password carefully and confirm it. Make sure that your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi during the setup. The frame will connect and complete setup within a few seconds. Once connected, the frame will start displaying the sample photos. You can upload your own photos from the app, and this confirms that everything is working properly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.